Okay, so this is a 1988 SMC U-42. Here it is. I don't know where it was, how often it was used, or anything about it. I just know the age, and that's it. Did not expect to see this at all in Jamaica. I know they have these in the US, but I've never seen one in person. So, and for these old SMCs, I thought this was detachable, but turns out this switch cap is actually just a part of it, and it's a detachable switch housing, and it did not come with a reverse switch. I don't know why, and just looks really nice. I did polish it up off camera. It was originally, the blades were originally covered in dust, and it was just a mess. So yeah, here it is now. Let me flip it over. There you go. This top, so this is 42 inches, I think. That's the date sticker. No, that's motor one. This is the date sticker, October 1988. This is the oldest fan I've found in a while. Yo. I did polish this with furniture polish, and I have to say you can see my phone in the reflection. It looks amazing. So this is a cool find. I got this as well as two Westinghouse swirls. That's what they're called. The Westinghouse swirls, I'm yet to test those. I haven't even tested this. I'm about to test this. I'll get a video of it running if it even works. I suspect it does. We'll see.